Hi students, and welcome to week 9 in online general psychology. I hope you had a great October and welcome to November. It's crazy to think we're already talking about November. We will be at the end of the semester before we know it. So this week we will be in chapter 10. Please note we did skip chapter 9. So last week we were doing chapter 8. This week, you are correct to be in chapter 10. So no chapter 9 for now. So in this chapter, you will have the opportunity to learn about motivation first. The first part of the chapter is about the theoretical aspects of motivation. So you'll look at psychological principles that add to motivation. And what I really like about this chapter is, if you ask me, what is the one thing I think is the key to student success, to getting to your degree, it would be to keep your level of motivation going. It's one of those things that wax and wanes over time, and getting your degree takes time. So how do you maintain that high level of motivation? So as you're learning about the theoretical aspects of motivation, I really challenge you to think about your own motivation. Are you motivated by intrinsic rewards or extrinsic rewards? Thinking about Maslow's hierarchy of needs and looking at that in terms of motivation. Where are you there? So yes, please learn about the theory and the ideas behind psychological principles behind motivation. But also, I really want you to take a look at your own motivation and where you're at. So it's really applicable for all of us. The second part of the chapter focuses on emotion. So you'll go on a journey of learning about human emotion. You'll learn about universal emotions. You'll learn about parts of brain that control emotions. You'll have a chance to discover what influences your own emotions, as well as that of people around you. So it's a really useful chapter. I feel like I say that every week, but I feel that way. I really do about the topics that we learn in this class. So I hope that you find it really interesting and also valuable and useful for your own life. So let's look at this week. Here's the narrated PowerPoint. You have 3 assignments in Connect, one on motivation, one on Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and then a news flash on the good life here. And then, of course, your chapter 10 post-test. No discussion, no paper this week. All your assignments are in Connect. So I hope you have a great week. I hope you enjoy learning about motivation and emotion. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.